Hello guys, this is Superman G coming at you one more again, and these are going to be the parts that I'm going to be using for my new computer build. First, start off that I have the Windows 10 product here. This is the 64-bit version of Windows 10, the Pro version I should add. I'm also going to be using or utilizing as my CPU. I decided to go with the Ryzen 2700X, Ryzen 7 2700X, I might add, and this will be the processor I am going to be utilizing. The operating system drive or storage drive I'm going to be using is the Crucial NVMe, and this is the M.2 solid state drive. Easy for me to say, right? 500 gigabyte. So I had to go with Crucial to give them a shot. There were a lot of reviews about them, positive reviews about their products, and I like to expand my horizons and give other products a try. Motherboard. I'm going to be using the MSI X470 Gaming M7 AC. Decided to go with MSI. It was a choice out of a few others, and said, well, I'm gonna again venture out and give a different vendor a try. I've had Gigabyte before in the past, had flawless victory with them, but I decided to go with a different vendor this time. So I'm gonna see how they do. I also wanted wireless. I wasn't sure if I wanted wireless on the motherboard, but I said, well, I'll give it a try and see how it works, and if it doesn't work out for me, I'll cross that bridge when I get to it if I have to change things up a bit. Moving on. Graphics card. I'm very excited about this. This is a SAPPHIRE NITRO 8GB DDR. It's the Radeon RX 580 Special Edition. And once again, the prices of NVIDIA graphics cards are just way too high. I tried to wait. The prices are coming down, but I just couldn't really stand the fact that the price was just way too high, and decided to go with this graphics card. It's got good reviews. A lot of people love it or like it if you want to go that route. So I'm going to give that a try. And once again, as I've said, I like venturing out and trying new products. Memory. Oh my gosh. This memory here is one I found. I don't know how I found it, but I found it nonetheless, and I'm not even in a position to open this for you yet, but it is very unique looking memory. It is by G.SKILL, and it is the TRIDENT Z Royal. And this particular memory has a unique feature that I had never seen before. I'm trying to see if I can get it open for you guys. But when I saw it, I was aesthetically pleased about it, as you will see. And it caught my eye, and once again, I like being different. I said, I've got to have that. So here it is. This is the actual as one of our favorite mentors likes to call it. There's a Go Faster sticker. Yes, a Go Faster sticker. Hey, don't close yet. I'm not done with you. So I'll set that off to the side. This is actually cloth that you use to clean the memory with, and I'll show you that's the reason why that is in a minute. And here we go. As you can see, this memory is silver. It's a very fine, shiny silver. I can call it that. And these are actually LEDs in the heat spreader area. So I thought it was just a very eye-catching memory. I hadn't heard anything about it, came across it, and I said I have to have that for my build. So yeah, very, very nice looking memory. And I really hope it performs as good as it looks. So open and shut case for that. Power supply. I'm going with SEASONIC the 750 FX, fully modular, focus gold, 80 plus gold. It's got a 10-year warranty, which, you know, I figured that'd probably be worth it. And give SEASONIC a try. I've heard a lot of good things about SEASONIC and decided to give them a shot. So I hope that they don't disappoint me or let me down. So, case. Oh, good grief. What can I tell you about this case? I really had a time trying to choose a case. That may have been the longest decision or choice that I was trying to make, and I wanted one with 5 1/4 inch drive bays because I still prefer my DVDs or Blu-rays. I plan on putting a Blu-ray in here. I don't have it with my build just yet because I'm still trying to find a good one. But if I don't add it during the filming of my build, I will add it later on. I don't know if I'm going to videotape it or video record it. But, you know, if I get it before I start my build, then I will include it in the video build. But this is the PHANTEKS ENTHOO Pro. It's LUXE. I guess that's how it's pronounced. The PHANTEKS ENTHOO LUXE, LUXE, however that's pronounced. And this is the case. This case is very nice. I like the color of it. I didn't really want to go with a glass or see-through window, but my options kind of running low on that. It seems like a lot more case manufacturers are going to this for whether it's RGB or whether it's, you know, a trend. So I decided to go ahead and just and try this. It's got a lot of features. The only drawback to it, and as you can tell, I also purchased the Lazy Susan, and I had to get the Lazy Susan due to the fact that this case, it is very nice, it's big, but it is also heavy, and I had no idea until after I tried to get it out the box. This case is 41 pounds, and I had no idea, and I started to send it back, but when I checked ENTHOO and their other cases, they just make heavy cases. I don't know why that is. Maybe it's the material they make it out of. But I said, well, I'm not going to worry about it. It will cost probably a little more to ship it back. So I said, I'm going to try it and see how it works. And if it doesn't work, or if it doesn't work out, or if I think it's too much, then I'll try something else. But for now, that's what I have. It's got USB 3.0 in the front, 2, and two USB 3.0 ports, and 2 USB 2.0 ports, as well as microphone, headphone, reset, and I believe that's the, it's kind of hard to see. Okay, there you go. That's the RGB lighting switch. So, and then the power switch is right there. Okay, a lot of features about this case. Got plenty of filters for it. Filters up top. Filters on the filters up top. Filters on the front. Filters on is covered all the way around. 300, just about 360 degrees of it. Almost every angle of it. So those are the those are the parts that I'm going to use for my build. And so the next video you will see will be of me actually starting on the build. I will have an 8-year-old Padawan, 8-year young I should say. I will be having an 8-year young Padawan assisting me in completing this build. And there may be times when I may do parts myself, and I am going to try to not show his face due to his parents advising me not to, and I will respect their decision from that. So what I'll be doing is I'll be showing our hands, and I'll you know, probably have music going in the background to cut down on a lot of the audio. That's going to the edit portion. So the next time you see this video, we will be actually building the computer. I hope you guys enjoy it. I know a lot of you are excited about it, and I'm gonna do my best to try to get it out to you as soon as I'm able to complete it. And I thank you all for your patience, and thank you all for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.